Behind me is the oldest church in Juniata County. It has the original slate roof that was put on almost 200 years ago. At Dreamworx Roofing, we pride ourselves on being able to take on projects that others can't or won't. With this one, we're going to modernize it while keeping that historical look. I'm Matt with Dreamworx Roofing, and I'm going to walk you through this project. Day one of this roof install, the old slate roof is torn off. We're now going to be installing new decking to ensure this new roof lays flat. And speaking of new roof, this is actually a piece of the old slate tile that we just got done tearing off. It's been doing a great job protecting this church roof for the last 200 years. And this is what we're going to be installing in its place. This is a piece of synthetic slate tile from Da Vinci. Why choose Da Vinci synthetic slate over true slate? One, it's much more cost effective. Real slate gets very expensive very quickly. Two, Da Vinci offers much better protection. In the event of a hailstorm, real slate can damage fairly easily, but with Da Vinci, not so much. Three, it's going to modernize the building without compromising that historic look. We just wrapped up here at St. Stephen's Church in Juniata County. We tore off a 200-year-old slate roof, replaced all of the decking underneath, and installed a brand new Da Vinci synthetic slate tile roof. Thanks for joining me on this project. We love restoring historic buildings just like this one. It turned out fantastic, and we look forward to showing you the next one.